Hey everybody, Bill Faith here. Welcome back to STRUnfiltered. I'm your host, founder of Build Short-Term Rental Wealth, this STRUnfiltered podcast, STR Wealth Conference, and now our brand new release of the ultimate all-in-one marketing software, MarketMySTR. You can check that out at MarketMySTR.com. Today I want to talk a little bit about marketing because of the fact that there is no question that bookings have slowed down. And a lot of people have said that it's the Airbnb bust, but I don't view it that way. I think if you've been in the business, you've been a short-term rental investor since mid-2020 to today, then you might think that everything's blown up and it's an absolute bust. I can tell you, tracking my portfolio, and one of the cool things in my mastermind group is we benchmark. So we track our monthly revenue, our profit, our cleaning fees, blah, 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 basically a P&L. So we can see the comparisons in all markets from Broken Bow to the Poconos, Gulf Shores, Smokies, Joshua Tree, Indio, Palm Springs. We got them everywhere. So it's amazing to look at what a lot of the influencers say. And to be perfectly honest with you, Airbnb bust, in my opinion, is a marketing term by people that are trying to sell you shit. Meaning their courses and their trainings and that type of stuff. Look, and I'm one of the guys that sells that stuff as well. But I'm not going to do fear mongering and leverage the Airbnb bust, because really what I see is 2019 data, pre-COVID data. 2018, 2019 were pretty good years for investors. 2017 was good. 2016 was good. 2015 was good. Was it 2021 and 2022? Absolutely not. But all that's happened is the dynamics have changed. Sure, there's 40% more STRs and people throw out the word saturation. Sure, people are traveling less today. But so there's no question that if you're a weak athlete, you are not going to be the star of the team. There is no question that if you don't have the business acumen, if you don't focus on your financials, you don't know how to direct sales and marketing, you don't know how to build a team, you're not going to be able to build a large business. There are underachievers and there are overachievers in our world. It's the way that the world works. The same thing is applicable here. The people that do the right things, that know how to do listing optimization, that are really good at pricing optimization, and are really good at marketing will win. There's no question. I'm still standing above the 90th percentile, the 55th percentile. And people throw out the term that, I've been saying this for a long time, that my portfolio outperforms the 90th percentile by 55%. And then people come in and, oh my gosh, I hear the influencers saying that and I do it too. Well, you know what? Let's compare portfolio to portfolio and let's be fucking real with our data, because it's not easy to do that. And you can't do that unless you're using social media, you're doing email marketing, you're excellent at pricing optimization. You have to have all these skills. The problem here, and this is why this is STRunfiltered, because if you don't market off platform right now, you will not even be able to come close to where you were last year from a revenue and a profit standpoint. There's not enough demand. You can see it in all the reports that are coming out from Airbnb, from Vrbo, from the dynamic pricing tools, from RankBreeze. I did it in the state of the industry at the STR Wealth Conference. The demand is down significantly compared to COVID. It's on par with 18 and 19, which were good years. But I'll tell you, back in 2018 and 19, I was email marketing. I'm doing organic social media. I'm doing Facebook ads. I'm doing the core 4 things that you have to do to be successful. And let me tell you about these core 4 things. Number 1, it's email marketing. Number 2 is social media marketing. Number 3 is new. Text message marketing. Literally texting your guests. And I'm not talking sitting here on my phone and doing a manual text. I'm about putting that into an automated funnel to where a guest checks out and then literally you can email them, then integrate a text message, even record a super quick video and be able to send that to them via email or text. What about a voice message? All directing them to your sales page. And this is the game changer, folks. You should never, ever be driving traffic to a website. You should be driving traffic, specifically paid or earned traffic, to a sales page, a landing page. One property, one page. And people think that if I send them to a website, there's more options. I got more opportunity to sell something. What it does is it confuses people. It's proven. There's people in our industry that say a website will outperform a landing page. They don't know what the fuck they're talking about. Look at Neil Patel. He will tell you sales page over website. Look at HubSpot. They will tell you sales page over website. Look at Infusionsoft. They will tell you sales page over website. You can look at any marketer. Go talk to Rand Fishkin, founder of Moz, one of the top SEOs with Danny Sullivan. Sales page over website. Websites were built for SEO purposes. They're built when you have 1,000 SKUs when you own a boot company. I built a website for somebody that had 11,000 SKUs, 11,000 pairs of boots, a boot on e-commerce online boot company in Wisconsin. We should be selling one property at a time. There is a place for a website, and that's when you're taking a guest that has stayed with you in downtown Philadelphia and you want to introduce them to Dallas, Texas, and your property's in Miami. Or when somebody stayed with you in Panama City Beach and you want to introduce them to Gulf Shores or to Banner Elk, North Carolina, or Asheville. But you don't want to drive traffic there. You want to drive traffic individually. Here's the rub. This is the problem. I don't have time is the adult version of our kids telling our teacher, my dog ate my homework. It's a fucking excuse. But what happens is when we don't prioritize the things that are important, like the marketing that we need to do today as adults, because we have so many other things and distractions in our lives, and I live that too. I'm calling myself out just like everybody else. We're going to suffer. So today is your day. I know you don't have time. I don't have time. I have to be really, really good with my priorities. That's why I'm intent about it, and I use something like this to plan out my days and my weeks and hold myself accountable. And a lot of people try to call bullshit on that. There's my daily ratings right there. I rate myself every single day on my priorities. That's what high achievers do. Today, I'm going to introduce MarketMySTR. You can go to MarketMySTR.com. And the only reason I'm doing this on my podcast, I do have a partnership with this. I do benefit a little bit. And I say a little bit because literally this is a $700-800 a month marketing platform that I'm giving to you for less than $100. And I was just with my mastermind people in the OBX in the Outer Banks, and they're like, why are you charging so little? Because I can. Because you all need this just as badly as I do. It's too challenging to post every day on the social media. It's too challenging to try to write an email every single day and then send it via Gmail or Outlook. It's too challenging to manually do things. And what's really challenging is when you pay somebody to build you a WordPress or a Wix website or whatever it is, and then you cannot update it on the fly. If you want to change all of that and own what you're doing, or let your VAs do it for you, but have it all under one roof to where it all syncs together and it will save you 75 to 85% of your time, then this is the answer for you. I should be charging probably in the $400 to $600 range for what I'm charging $97. There's no question that what I'm charging, and if you're watching this on YouTube, you can see this here. Here's the Core 4 that I'm talking about. You have to have the Core 4. You can go to MarketMySTR and see what's included. You've got landing pages, sales pages. You've got text message marketing. You have automated funnels, email marketing, even a free live chat widget to drop onto your sales pages. Increases conversion by 20 to 30%. Do you need more? Oh, you're sick and tired of like paying Vimeo for a really clean video host? Then that's fine. We host your videos for you as well. We have text message marketing. We give you a phone number. No more Google Voice or using your own cell phone. You want it to be private? That's cool. You want to have your VAs be able to access and log in and timestamp and see what they're doing? Yeah, we got you covered there too. And it's this core four that I'm talking about is a combination of email marketing, social media marketing, using sales pages versus a website, and integrating text message marketing. You try to get this someplace else, I mean, you're talking $300, $400, $500 a month. This starts for you at $97 a month. I don't want to turn this into a sales pitch, and I don't care if you buy it. I'm not doing this for profit. I have a partner in this, and we're charging $97, and plus the support. We have 8 support people on staff. Every Tuesday and Thursday, they're doing live help for you guys, just like this, like on Zoom. And they're available every single day, 7 days a week, via live chat to be able to help you. Nobody else supplies that. So I don't want you to take this as being a sales pitch on my podcast, because that's not what it is. Because I can tell you, my partner Scott and I, we'll be making about $7 each a month. $7 each. We're not going to get rich doing that. He was gracious enough. He did this for Grant Cardone. He's doing it for me to help you guys in my community. If you have any questions about it, feel free to DM me, BillFace73, on Instagram. I'm on Twitter. I'm on TikTok. I'm on Facebook. I'm everywhere. But just do me one favor. Whether you buy and sign up for MarketMySTR, there's a free 14-day trial. This pricing, by the way, is only good for 30 days. June 5th, it goes to the regular pricing, which will be $197 and $297. Right now, it's $97 and $197 for the first 2 programs. The third program, don't even worry about that, because that's not for you. That's for like a large property management company. Take advantage of it. Test it out for free. We're going to help you along the way, and if it is robust. It's kind of like Owner Res and Guesty. And we do have a white glove onboarding, so it'll take you, most people that aren't tech savvy, a few hours, 4 or 5 hours to set it up. $250 is our white glove, and Scott himself is going to walk you through it. You'll be up and running in 45 minutes to an hour. Imagine scheduling a week or 2 weeks worth of social media on every platform, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, you name it, in less than an hour on a Sunday night, and then not having to worry about it. Just engage with it. Setting up a funnel to your past guests or people that could be coming in from StayFi. We integrate with Zapier. So StayFi, boom, directly into MarketMySTR, into your email list. And that goes right into a funnel, and you can text them. Combination of text, email, voice message, and video. That gets you so personalized, there's no way you can't win their business to come back. Because here's the deal. Less than 20% of you are going to take advantage of this and put in the work. That means those of us that do it, that's why we get the competitive advantage. So like I said, you have until June 5th to get the founder's pricing. We've made this as cheap as possible to where everybody can have access to it. If you're in my Build Short-Term Rental Wealth Facebook group, just go into that, type in marketmystr.com. Chris and I have already done a live demo going through every single thing of it. You can see a demo that Chris put on the website as well. And if you have any questions, just DM me at BillFaith73. And it doesn't matter if it's about this or marketing or pricing optimization or where to buy. I'm the people's coach here, just like my man Damon John that's coming to our STR Wealth Conference. I will help you. Have a great day, everybody, and happy hosting.